All right, good boy. Good boy, Murphy. Good boy. Got a water intake problem there.
Good job, buddy.
Yay. Good boy.
Stand up in the boat, okay?
Here. Murphy. Murphy, come on. Come on. Good boy. Say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Tristan, say hi to Mommy.
Hi.
Tristan,
What?
say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Dad.
Aww.
Father's Day anyway.
I guess we on a boat.
You want to go back to Grandpa?
Yeah.
Hey, Rowan, are you on a boat? Are you on a boat?
No, that way. Yeah.
Tristan's on a boat.
Yeah.
Here and you.
I'm on a boat. Yay. Show me your paddle. That's a nice paddle there, buddy.
The one Craig gave me.
Yep.
I don't want to pepper.
Okay.
Oh, no, don't, no.
Don't do that.
You're going to smash your paddle. You want to take Murphy for a ride? Let's get up close and get Murphy in.